this video, you'll learn about the best induction cooktops. You'll see 4 brands that you may recognize from years past and 3 newer names. So why the change? Buying an induction cooktop will be a problem due to availability issues. So stay to the end to see the best induction cooktops for this year. Let's get started. The Gaggenau induction cooktop is like the more famous Thermador Freedom induction cooktop, but it has more functionality in terms of choosing your burner size. You can place pots and pans anywhere on this Gaggenau, and it automatically detects the size and position of your cookware and adjusts the burner zone accordingly. You can fit as many as 6 pots and pans to cook simultaneously, as the entire surface is one large cooking zone. If you're using larger cookware, the Gaggenau cooktop can reach a maximum output of 5,500 watts. The touch display on this cooktop makes it easy to adjust cooking zones, heat levels, and other settings. Additionally, the boost function helps you to quickly boil a pot of water. Gaggenau features residual heat inductors, automatic shutoff in case of overheating or prolonged use, and a child lock function to prevent accidental changes to settings. Furthermore, pan size recognition ensures efficient energy usage by automatically adjusting the cooking zone to match the size of your cookware. Bosch, Gaggenau, and Thermador are all part of the BSH Corporation. Bosch is like many other cooktops on this list, with a central power burner in the middle and expandable burners on either side. The burner in the middle is good for larger pots, and you can place odd-shaped pans like a griddle on either side. With 17 power levels, Bosch cooktops offer precise control over the cooking temperature. The direct select interface and flex induction technology make it easy to adjust the setting for any type of cooking. You can program your hood from your smart device to start the fan and lighting when turning on your cooktop. One of the key reasons to consider this Bosch is their reliability. Based on over 35,000 service calls logged by our service department last year, Bosch Benchmark has an average service rate of 2.7% for induction cooktops. Bosch Benchmark, and Gaggenau are 3 of our top 4 most reliable cooktops you can buy. The Wolf induction cooktop is a chef's favorite for its performance. This cooktop features 5 burners, including 4 8-inch burners and 1 11-inch burner. Each burner can deliver up to 3,700 watts of cooking power on the boost setting. Wolf's induction cooktops now feature LCD touchscreens and independent timers for each cooking zone. The new touchscreens are also much easier to use. Its dedicated settings for simmering and melting make it easy to cook at lower temperatures. For peace of mind, Wolf's safety features include pan detection, a hot source indicator, and a child lock function. Wolf's cooktop has a full 2-year part and labor warranty, and it's actually 3 if you shop with Yale. In a sea of stainless steel appliances, Fisher & Paykel stands out with some unique styling. Of course, style is only a matter of opinion. However, you also have 2 powerful 5,500 watt burners on this cooktop when you opt to use the boost function. This makes Fisher & Paykel the quickest cooktop on this list to bring your food to a boil or a sear. It's also possible to run 2 to 3 cooking zones at maximum power simultaneously without any heat loss from other burners, as long as they're not positioned directly behind each other. What's most impressive about SKS is that its parent company is LG. From reliability to availability, LG is the best for the same reason. They produce more components and don't have problematic supply chain issues like other companies. By producing major component parts, LG has become the most reliable brand sold at Yale, with a reliability rate of only 4.4% needing service within the first year, versus 9.7% for the average appliance. The cooktop specifications are surprisingly good, with a 700 watt burner and 3 3,700 watt burners. SKS has Wi-Fi to check the burners and sync to an SKS hood through the reliable ThinQ app. Lastly, SKS has a full 3-year warranty. Service availability has been a problem for LG. Then again, service is a problem for every manufacturer to a certain degree. We didn't service one single GE induction cooktop last year. However, GE, Café's parent brand, has some availability issues, so Café is similar to the GE cooktop with some added features. Café's gourmet guided cooking system combines video-guided recipes from chefs with automatic adjustments to time and temperature. On top of Café's guided cooking system, its Induction Cooktop features a precise control mode. This mode keeps a set temperature within 1 degree for temperature-sensitive cooking methods. Plus, Café's touch controls make it easy to adjust the heat with just one swipe. The control lock capability prevents unintended burner activation. In addition to this safety feature, you can connect the cooktop to Wi-Fi for even more control. Café's Induction Cooktops offer a mail-in rebate for Heston Q Pan, which can be conveniently used with their app to give you more recipes with step-by-step guidance. Now that you know about the best induction cooktops, watch this video about reliability, because servicing induction is difficult for many reasons.